If you've been looking for a premium security camera that actually makes protecting your home easier and smarter, this one is seriously impressive. This is the Arlo Pro 2K HDR Security Camera 6th generation, and one of the biggest things that stands out immediately is the crystal clear 2K HDR video quality. You can see important details like faces, packages, cars, and movement much more clearly, even during difficult lighting. What really makes this camera feel advanced are the smart custom alerts. You can actually set specific detections like your garage opening, your dog jumping on the couch, or even your child arriving home from school. That level of personalization is amazing for busy families. I also love that it has color night vision, a built-in spotlight, two-way audio, and a remote siren directly from the app, so you can monitor and respond to activity in real time no matter where you are. Another huge advantage is the rechargeable removable battery. It makes charging super easy and gives you more flexibility without dealing with constant wiring. The setup is also surprisingly simple with dual-band Wi-Fi, and the camera feels very premium and reliable overall. And honestly, one of the best features is the emergency response option directly from the app, which gives extra peace of mind when every second matters. If you want a smart, modern, high-quality security system for your home, this camera is definitely one of the best options I've seen.